to kiss me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I will introduce my family. Mr. Ardarmansya and Mr. Marini have two children. They are Puan Amaharani and Tania Regina Dwi Aryani. Truthfully, Puan and Tania are still girls and are studying as a student at Open Universitas Terbuka, and Tania Regina Dwi Aryani still in junior high school. And here I am, Puan Amaharani, will explain my family tree. I have grandparents from my father and mother, but my grandmother from my father's side has passed away, and my grandfather from my mother's side has also passed away. My father has his sibling, and my father is 15 years. My father has two older brother and two older sister, and my mother has four siblings, and my mother is the three child of four siblings. My mother has a older brother, an older sister, and a young brother. If from my father's grandfather's family there are 10 siblings, and my mother grandmother also has next the sibling. My father is the four children of 10 siblings, and my grandmother is the from the child of 9 the sibling. If my grandfather's first sibling live in Swedia, the second in Bandung, the third is Sungaliat Bangka, the fourth in Bangka Belitung, the fifth is Sungaliat Bangka, the sixth in Bangka Belitung, the seventh date when he has 4 years old, the eighth in Bandung, the ninth is Mentok, West Bangka, the 10th is Bangka Belitung. And my grandmother has an older sister who live in Swedia, the second in Bandung, the third did at the for my grandmother did at the age of 70, the 15 Bandung, the 7 Mentok Bangka, the 8 Jakarta, the 9 Bandung. My grandmother and grandfather are from Bandung. My grandparents have 13 grandchildren from the 5 children, and my grandparents already have great grandchildren, namely 5 great grandchildren from my father, older brother children, and from my father not yet, because my brother and I is still in school. My maternal grandfather has 6 siblings, and of my maternal grandfather siblings are native Mentok people, including my grandfather, and my maternal grandmother has 3 siblings. The first live in Jakarta, the second in Jakarta, and the third in Mentok. I have a lot of cousins and siblings from my father and mother sides of the family. When all of my siblings, the cousins, are together, it feels great. My maternal grandfather has 6 siblings, and all of my maternal grandfather siblings are native Mentok people, including my grandfather, and my maternal grandmother has 3 siblings. The first one live in Jakarta, the second in Jakarta, and the third in Mentok. I have a lot of father and mother sides of the family. When all of my siblings and cousins are together, it feels great. My father, Fritz brother, Amal, has passed away. They live in Belinyu, Bangka, and had one children, a girl. The second woman lived in Jakarta with her husband, and the husband in Jakarta. And after getting married, my father older sister found her husband to live in Jakarta and had 3 boys. The three in live in Bangka Belitung, but her husband is from Medan, but children of live in Bangka Belitung. My father older sister has 3 children, 2 boy and girl, and the first live in Bangka Belitung and has of children, 3 girls on boy, and the 5th is my mother. My father live in Bangka Belitung and has 5 children, but 3 children have died while pregnant, and 2 children I live namely girls. My mother older brother, a man live in Mentok, and my mother older brother's wife is of Aib atau Arab. Dixers as 3 children, 2 boys on girls. My mother second girls, I girls live in Bangka Belitung, has 4 children, 3 girls on boy. And my mother live in Bangka Belitung and has 5 children, but 3 of the children have died while pregnant, and 2 children are still alive, namely girls. And my mother found new girls born live in Bangka Belitung. My mother family has China and Charsley from my great grandmother side, and my father family has Arab and 3 from my great grandfather, and my great grandmother is of Chinese descent. Mr. Soeb and Mr. Anis have 5 children, but 3 first children daddy died 2 years ago. The other children are Eva, Gusri, Evi, and Ari. Mr. Anis passed away after daddy. Daddy is married to Mia and has one child named Rizki. Holdy is on half school. Eva is married to Bubi as her children, namely Adit, Tiara, Awang. Eva first children Adit is married and already working, while Tiara is a policewoman and Awang it is a college. Gusri is married to Neneng and has 4 children named Icha, Dwi, Edis, and Bian. Icha is married and has 2 children, and Dwi is married to Opat and has 3 children. They are Edis and Bian. Edis is currently working, while Bian is still in 6th grade. Evi is married to Nasrun and has 3 children named Ais, Rafa, and Yubi. If Ais is married and worked in Jakarta because they live in Jakarta with her family. Rafa is in school, Yubi is still in school, and Ari is married to Mary and has 2 children named Puan dan Tania. Puan is still in Colek and Tania is still in grade on of junior high school. That's all for me. Thank you.